The Jenner Institute is part of the Nuffield Department of Medicine at Oxford University. It was founded in 2005 and aims to develop vaccines for diseases of major global importance, such as malaria, tuberculosis and HIV. We also have a partnership with the Institute for Animal Health, where we develop vaccines for animal diseases such as foot and mouth disease. There are over 100 members of staff at the Jenner Institute, including PhD students, postdocs, research assistants, research nurses and clinical fellows. The work here covers all aspects of vaccine development, from designing the vaccines to large-scale manufacturing and clinical testing. In the last 3 years, our molecular biology lab has generated over 160 new poxvirus and adenovirus vaccine vectors. The viruses are grown in tissue culture, then purified from the cells and tested for purity and stability. Vaccines used in clinical trials are manufactured under sterile conditions at the Clinical Biomanufacturing Facility, which is located on the Churchill Hospital site. Newly developed vaccines are given to healthy volunteers so we can check that they are safe and able to induce an immune response. Blood from the volunteers is taken to the laboratory, where we look for immune responses to the vaccine using an ELISpot assay. The ELISpot assay measures responding white blood cells from the volunteers. Each responder cell appears as a spot in the well of the plate, which we count using an automated plate counter. Using a technique called flow cytometry, we can look at the surface of individual white blood cells so we can really tease out the different cell populations responding to the vaccines. Another thing we can do in Oxford is test whether our malaria vaccines are actually working by infecting people with malaria and counting parasites in blood films. If the vaccine works, the volunteer is protected and we don't see any parasites in the blood. We also work with scientists in Africa to give vaccines to people naturally exposed to malaria and TB. A third of the world's population are infected with TB, and almost 2 million people die each year from the disease. If you are interested in collaborating with us or joining us at the Jenner Institute, please see our website or contact us for further information.